guys, welcome back to another exciting killer video. I'm going to try to clean up this door molding on my wife's 2006 Toyota Highlander. It's still in very good shape. We just have a little bit of weathered area here. So what I'm going to try is Penetrol Flood, which you can get at Lowe's, and this stuff is really great. It penetrates. You can use it for plastics, faded paint, whatever. The really good thing about it is it's not like Armor All where you put it on, it looks great to begin with, it rains once and then it's all gone. This stuff really lasts a long time. And when you apply this, you want to use a rubber glove because it is oil based. So it has a really strong solvent smell and whatnot. It's not easy to wash off. So we went ahead and put some on a terry cloth. I might add a little bit more. And you pretty much just wipe it on the surface. And it says to buff off after 3 to 5 minutes. You know what? It made this look a lot better too. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to this also. You know what? It did a really excellent job. So it's not faded as much anymore. Hopefully it lasts a long time. What do you guys think? Have you ever tried this before? I mean, it's really good stuff. The only thing is you got to be really patient. This stuff, it says dry time is 24 hours. So the wife won't be getting in the passenger side anytime soon. So we got time. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Hope this video helped you out. I will see you in the next one. Bye.